Hello, this is my e-bike, my electric bike. It's fully modification. This bike has a 250 watt motor. And this is the battery on the rear rack. It's a 36 volt, 18 ampere per hour. The tire is anti-puncture tire for off-road as well. So this bike is multi-function bike. The saddle is the big one for touring, so it's comfortable. Okay, let's see the electricity in here. This is front bike. How to turn it on? Let's see here. Press this button. It's on. And then the other one is for giving the sign. On the rear, also the sign to left. It looks like motorcycle. Actually, it also has a tiny light on the rear to give a sign to other people in the rear mirror that there is a bike in front of him or them. Let's see with the motor in here. So I can this is see, it's been how many kilometers? There's a level in here for the speed. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the reduce. Oh. Okay, this is in detail. Bike. It's a Shimano 7-speed for the rear derailleur, and then the front, this one is speed, so in total is 21 speed. And this is the throttle for automatic riding. So with got pedal assist as well. So we can use pedal assist or fully motor, fully electric. Fully electric. What is inside it is the battery, and I will show you the battery. This one is the battery. It's the cable. So the battery is fully covered by insulated bag. This one. It's still warm, I mean dry. Okay guys, this is my electric bike. I enjoy to use this to ride on this. It's very good for going to work and for holiday or camping as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review about the bike, about the electric bike, because I have another one as well. So this is the custom electric bike. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.